Chuchuji and Chutujay's assembly. We are here to celebrate the Hindu festival of Deepavali. Please enjoy our performance of Rama and Sita, and this is where the story begins. Wait here, we have also been using Makaton to help tell the story. Makaton helps people to communicate. Would you all like to join in and learn some Makaton too? Yeah! Okay, let's get started. This means king. This means Deepavali. This means monkey. And this means friends. Once upon a time there was a great warrior named Rama. He had a beautiful wife named Sita. One day, Rama and Sita were banished from their home by the king. They went to the forest and with a terrible demon king named Ravana lived nearby. He had 10 heads and 20 arms and fear throughout the land. One day, Ravana kidnapped Sita and took her away in his flying chariot. Clever Sita left a trail of jewelry for Rama to follow. Rama and Lakshmana followed the trail of glittering jewelry until they met Hanuman, the monkey king. We came to a friend and agreed to help find Sita. Messages were sent to all the monkeys in the world to help find Sita. After a very long search, Hanuman found Sita imprisoned on an island. The army of monkeys couldn't reach the island, so they began to build a bridge. Soon all the animals of the world, large and small, came to him. When the bridge was built, the monkeys and Rama rushed across it and fought a mighty battle. Rama killed the evil Ravana with the magic arrow, and the whole world rejoiced. Rama and Sita were reunited, and they began the long journey back to their land. Everybody lit lamps to welcome them back. People lit lamps at Deepavali to remember the light triumphs over dark and good triumphs over evil. Thank you for watching our performance of Rama and Sita. Please enjoy the learning we have been doing for Deepavali.